values. They're given on program move r0 comma hash of 0x abc. So first, what is the r0 value? How it will be stored? Where my abc value it will be stored? Yes, first 0x of first byte it is 00, second byte also it is 00, third byte one value here is there, one value 0a, next it is a bc. Similarly, R1 also you can take it out in this way 0x of 0 0 0 0 0 t and EF directly you can take. Now, first I need to perform AND operation between R0 and R1. So these values I need to take separately. So, so here I'm not bothered about these things right now because everything it is 0. If you do AND operation for this one, I'll get zeros only. I'll take these 2 bytes 0 A B C and 0 D E F for an explanation purpose. Okay, I'll take first value 0x of 0A, next it is a BC. Okay, otherwise completely you take, why you will take risk. Okay, first I'll take R0 value as 0x of 00, second byte, third byte it is 0A, and next it is a BC. Okay, now you represent this one in binary. So C, what is the C value in terms of 4 bits? So I'll get 1 1 0 0. Next B value 1 BB 1 0 1 1. Similarly A 1 0 1 0. Remaining you just fill the value to zeros. Zeros means this one. I'll get the value to 0 0. Okay, remaining also I'll get the zeros only for these cases. If you want, you can fill it out. Next, second value I'm going to take. So R1 value it is DEF. So DEF means out I'm getting 0x of 0 0 0 0 0 T and EF. Okay. So F, first you need to take F. F value is 1 1 1 1. Similarly, what is the E value? 1 1 1 0. Similarly, D value. What is the value? 1 1 0 1. So next it is zeros. Okay, you need to do the first case. So what I'm asking, I want to do the AND operation. So AND operation is bitwise AND you need to do. Okay, so just tell me value 0 and with 1. What is the value? So if you, anywhere 0 is there, completely you make 0. This is 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 1. Next it is 0, 1, this is 0, 1. Again it is 0, 0, this is also 0, this is 1. Remaining thing it is 0, 0, 0, 0. Now I need to read this value. This is 0. What about 1, 0, 0? 8. This one A. What about this? It is C. So 8AC. You can check it out. So I'll get the value here. It is 0x of 0 0 0 0 0 8 AC. Okay. So this is for AND operation. Now next R3 value I want. It is OR operation. ORR is an instruction, and I need to store in my R3 register. Now you do the same process for OR operation and tell me the answer. What is the value you get? See, first OR operation means, so any one of the bits, both are 0, then only it is 0, otherwise it is 1 only, right? So what is the value you will get? Directly you can tell. So it is 1 1, this is 1 1, here also it is 1 1 1 1, here also it is 1 1 1 1, so remaining it is zeros. So here onwards everything it will get the zeros only, so that's why directly I can write. So 1 1 1 means it is F, this is also F, this is also it is F. So directly I can write, so OR operation, my result it is 0 XOR 0 0 0 0 0 F F F. Next, EOR, XOR operation I need to do. So XOR operation, just try the value, what is the value you'll get? What is the value? Just see, 0 with XOR with 1, what is the value? I'll get 1, next value, yes, 1 XOR with 1, next it is 0. Similarly, just tell me this value, 1 0 1 0, next value, 1 1 1 0. Now you read 7, this is 5, this is 3, not 2, 7 5 3 only, right? Double 1, yeah. The get the value is double 0 double 0 0 7 5 3. This is my R4 value. Now next, ORN. This is very important. ORN. So it means I need to take the complement of this. That it's not those complement. So I need to take the complement of this one and we need to do the OR operation with the R naught. So how to get the complement? So this is very important. For this case, I want to complete this value. Okay. So this value also I need to represent. So how to represent? So I'll just take it on that. Okay, so this is a one byte completely. This is one byte. This is second byte. Remaining 2 bytes I'm going to take on here. So it is sorry, this value 1004. So here also I'll get same thing only. Here also I'll get, this is another byte, 4 zeros, and here also I'll get another 40, and next it is 4 zeros. This is R1, but I want R1 complement. Complement of R1 I want means, so I take the complement value. 0 means 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, and it is 1 1 1 1. Here also 1 1 1 1. Now you try for this 1 1 0 1. What is the value? 0 0 1 0. Next it is 0 0 0 1. For this case, everything it is 0. Now this value or with this value. So I need to do OR operation. So everything it is 0 0. Here also it is 0 0 0 0, and here also it is 0 0 0 0. Now I want to do these two, and I want to get the result OR operation. Now you tell me what is the result you'll get. First this case, double 1 double 0 0 0 0. What is the answer you'll get? Double 1. I'll get same value only, right? Double 1 double 0. So I'll get the value, it is C only. Next 1 0 1 1 with the 0 0 1. So you can see 1 with the 1 means OR operation 1. 1 with 0 also will get 1. 0 with 0 means I'll get 0. 1 with 0 means I'll get 1. 1 0 double 1. Same value. B value only I'll get. Next 0 with 0. These two you need to do. 0 with 0. I'll get 0. 1 with 1. I'll get 1. Next 0 with 0 0, 1 with 0 1, 1 0 1 0. Okay. So remaining thing you can check it out. So 1 1 1 with a 0 0. Everything is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. If you do OR operation also, I'll get 1 1 1 only. So 1 1 1 means, so you can write, if you want you can write 1 1 1 1. So 1 1 1 1. It is also 1 1. It is also 1 1 1. It is also 1 1 1 1. Now if you read F, it is a F. This is also it is F, and this is also it is F, and this is also it is F. Now what is the value? You can see it's completely 1 byte FF, FF, FA, BC. So R for resistor value it is 0x of FF, FF, FA, BC. So this is my R5 value or an instruction. Next, BIC means it is a AND operation. Same, you need to take the complement of this one and you need to AND with the R naught. Okay, complement reality taken, but instead previously we did OR operation. Now I need to do the AND operation. That's all. So just do and tell me what is the answer I'll get. First, they are normal. I take an R1 and complemented of my complemented tilt value of R1 I'm getting from this one. So I'll do the AND operation. 0 with 0. I'll get 0. 0 with 0, I'll get 0. See, if all are 0, I get zeros only. Right, this is 0. Next, you can check it out. So here anyway, it is double 1 is there, I'll get 1. Next, it is 1 0. So it is 0. You can see 0 0 1. These three cases, definitely I'll get 0 only. Because any one of the value is 0, complete 0 for AND operation. Similarly, here 1 is there. You can check it out that bit. Here also 1 is there. Then only I'll get 1. Remaining because of zeros, I'll get the value to 0 0. Directly you can write. This is 1. This is 2. And remaining you can check it out. See this byte, this one, this one, this one, this one. Everything it is 0. 0 with 1, I'll get zeros only. So directly I can write the values. It is 4 0, 4 0. And here also it is 4 0. And here also it is 4 0. So if you read, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 0, and this is also 0. Now what is the value of this one? You can check it out. So I'll get the value, it is 0x of 00 00 02 10. This is my R6 resistor. So in this way, so we are finding the resistor values. Clear about this one? Question they are given. Find the values, register values. We need to find out the register values to complement. I need to do the complement process. I want to clear, I want to set what I need to set 5th bit, 7th bit, 12th bit of the given values. Their given values here it is what? DE and CB. This is the given values. In that 5th bit, 7th bit, 12th bit, I need to clear, I need to set, I need to complement. Now to obtain what is the register values I need to use and what is the instructions I need to use, you should know. And also after doing this process, what is the results you are getting, you should know that. That thing you need to write. But here you should remember, you already know that if I'm going to get the complement, what is the instruction we are going to use? XOR. XOR instruction means it is E, O, R instruction I need to use. For clearing the particular bits, I need to use AND. So for setting, I need to use OR. And result I need to store. Okay. First I'll go with this. So D and CB. In my system, how it will be stored? D and CB. It will be stored in terms of 32-bit. This D and CB will go to the lower half-word. So upper half-word means 16 bits. It will be filled by the values are zeros. I'll go 0 0 0 0 here. Next it will go to DE and next value is CB. Okay. First I will split this one. Later we'll identify the particular bits and directly I can write the register values. How? Okay, first you split this. What is the B value? Just 1 0 1 1. Okay, next C value 1 1 0 0. Next E value 1 1 1 0. D value 1 1 0 1. Okay, next this is a 4 bytes, sorry 2 bytes. Next everything it is 0 0. So I'll write 0 0 0 0. Next it is also 0 0 0 0. Next completely it is 0 0 0 0. Next is 0 0 0 0. So this is for this is for this, and this is for this, and this is for this. Once you write, now next task is I want to identify the bit. So they are telling 5th, 7th, 12th means, remember this is a 32-bit value representation. So this bit value, it is the 31st bit. Totally have a 32-bit means we are going to start from 0. So what is a common mistake it will do? Okay, 5th, right? We'll start 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th bit. You are changing this one. That is wrong. So you need to start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. It is my third bit. So what they are telling, 5th bit. You will just identify. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 5th bit. This is my 5th bit. Next 6th, 7. This is my 7th bit. This is 5th bit, 7th bit. Next 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is my 12th bit. 5, 7, 12th bit. Once you identify, next, first I'll go for the normal process to clear. If I want to do the clear process, what I need to do? I want to make, so I'm going to use the instruction, you can see, and I need to do, for example, I'll take this value is my one of the resistor, R1 resistor. So I want to take second resistor, I want to find out that resistor only. After doing the AND operation, result I am storing in R3 resistor. So I'll take the AND of, it is R3 comma R1 comma R2. So this is a R1 what you are getting. Second R2 value I need to find out. How to find out R2 value? Is this resistor value? That is my question. How to find out? What is the rule it is telling? If you want to clear a particular bit, you need to make a particular bits as a 0. I'll make this as a 0, this is a 0, and this is a 0. Remaining all you need to fill the value is 1. I need to pass remaining all as it is. How? I'll take this is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So 1 1 1 1. Again this is also 1 1 1. So particular bit 12th bit I want to clear. That's why I make it 0. So I want to pass these bits, and 7th bit I need to make clear. So this bit 6th bit I need to pass as it is. 4th bit also. Next also 1 1 1 1. So this is my value. So just find out what is the value you get. This is F. This is F. 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 What is the value? E. F. 101. 5 F. Okay. This is a what is the value what I am getting. So once you got this value, the register value you need to clear. You need to mention to clear the particular bits. So what is the value I need to AND it? I'm going to use this instruction AND operation. Here R2 value is equal to, I'll get the value it is, so F0 X of FF, okay, FF, next it is FF, second byte also, first byte, second byte, next EF and 5F, EF and 5F. So this is the value. If I'm going to AND with this value, then particular bits of 5th, 7th, 12th bit it will be clear. Okay, what next question? Along with this one, they're asking also find the result. So what is the result I'm getting after clearing? What is the result you are getting? Need to find out. How to find out what is the operation you are doing and operation we need to do for clearing. After doing, you just tell me the value. You can see I'll get almost same values only 1011 and with 1111. I'm not doing anything completely this bit, right? You see that very easy method I'll tell. So this one I'm not disturbing anything. It will get as it is. If you want to do AND operation also, I'll get same thing. This completely for nipple I'm not going to change anything. I'll get same thing. So this is also I'll get same. This is also I'll get same thing. So you can see in this I'm doing changes. Then definitely values will be changed. How? One with the zero. One with the zero. AND operation. What is the value you'll get? They're doing AND of. I'll get 0. Next 0 with 1. 0, 1, 1. Okay. This is we are not doing any changes. Then I'll get this value only. If you want, I can check it out. 1110. This complete nipple it will pass as it is. Next, here we are doing changes. We need to do the operation. 1 with the 0, 0. 1 with 1. I'll pass this bit as it is. Next, 0 with the 0. I'll get 0. 0 with the 1. I'll get 0. Next, this one as it is. So 1, 0, 1, 1 only I'll get. Now you read the result. What is the value you'll get? 0, 0, 0, 0. Double 1, double 0. I'll get C. Next, 1110 E. This is 4. What is the value? 10. It is B na. Okay. So this is B. So next, so remember, once you find out all the resistor, so what you have to do, you need to mention this instruction and of R3 comma R1 comma R2. Here R1 value if we are taken as this value. So second value R2, this is a value where multiplication, sorry, what we are doing ANDed value to clear a particular bits. What is the result what I am getting? That is my R3. R3 value is equal to, I'll get of 0x of 0 0 0 0 CE and 4. So this is the results what I am getting. Clear? First to clear the particular bits of 5th, 7th, 12th bit. So this is the result what I am getting after clearing the particular bits. Clear? Okay. Next I'll go for the setting process. So setting means what I need to take. So this is a 0 0 only. So particular bits I need to make 1. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. Remaining completely I need to make. If I make completely it is 0, I'll get 0 only. So I'll completely in 4 bytes twice I'll write this is also 0, this is also 0, it is also 0, this is also 0. So I'll deal with only these 2 bytes of information. So what I'll do, I'll make 0 0. This is 0 0 0, 0 0 0 0, this is 0, this is 0. Next I'll make this is completely 0. What I have to do? I have to do the OR operation. So here, remember R1 value what I am getting it is 0 x of double 0 0 0 D and CB for set. What I am doing for the setting. Now I need to find out R2 value. So what is the instruction I am going to use? R R3 comma R1 comma R2. Otherwise here you write. This is very important. R3 comma R1 comma R2. R1 value I taken the given value. R2 value we need to find out to clear a particular bits what I need to do. So I'll take the R2 value as 0x. So this is the value to clear, so to set the particular bits. This is the value I need to R. So what is the value you'll get? Just find out. Fifth bit, seventh bit, 12th bit. What is the value? 1010. Yes, I'll get A. This is 0. This is 0. It is 1. Remaining thing it is zeros only. 0 0 0 0 1 0 A 0. Directly you can write 0 0 0 0 1 0 A 0. Clear about this one? What I'm doing here? Yes. Yeah. So clear means particular bit you need to make 0. Remaining all are it is 1 1 1. Now what I am doing for set, I'll make particular bit as 1, remaining OR it is 0 0, but we are doing the OR operation. If you do OR operation 0 with 0, I'll get 0 0 0 only. Sorry, here the value will be changed now. Yeah. So what is the value I'll get? 1 0 1 0 with the OR operation I need to do. Okay, so what is the value I'll get? See, check it OR operation 1 0 1 with 0, I'll get 1 1 with 0. Okay, what is the value I need to multiply? This is correct only 10A0 only. Result what I am getting, you just check it out. OR operation 1 with 0 will get 1. So this is 0 A 0 1. The value what you are in same value, but our result I am getting 1 with 0 1, 1 with 0 1, 0 with 0 I'll get 0, 1 0 1 with 0 I'll get 1. Next here you can check it out 0 with 0, 0, 0 with 1, 1, 1 with 0. Yes, 1, 1 with 1, get 1. Similarly, check for this one. So 1 1 1 0 with 0 0 0. OR operation 1 1 1 0. For this case, 1 with 1 means also will get 1 1 0 1. So what is the value? D, E, E, and D now. Okay. Yeah. So this is the final result value what I'm getting. So I'm getting 0 0 0 0 and T E and E B. So this is the result what I am getting. So this is the register value to clear. So what is the instruction we need to? They'll ask the instruction. Find the instruction. This is the instruction what I'm going to use. Clear about this one? So for the complement process directly I can tell it is a complement means XOR I need to use XOR gate instead of OR gate I need to use XOR EOR. Only small changes. EOR if you use everything it is okay. Same instruction. So R2 value also same thing. For XOR operation or complement also same rules I am telling. Particular bit I need to make it as 1. Remaining bits you need to make it as a 0. So this value will not be changed. R1 value will not be changed. R2 value will not be changed. But result it will be changed. So what is the result? Just check it out. Okay. So just same process. R2 value it will be same. So 1 XOR, you do the XOR operation, 1 XOR with 0 means I'll get 1. Next 1 XOR with 0, 1, 0 XOR with 0, 0, 1 XOR with 0, I'll get 1. What is 1011? It is B. I'll get the same value. Next, and come to this case. So this is the value what you are XORing with this value. 1100. 0 XOR with 0, I'll get 0. 0 with 1, 1. 1 with 0, 1. Now this case, 1 with 1, I'll get 0. So what is the value I'm getting? 1110. it is 6. Like similarly, you do this process. Here it is 0 0 with 1 1 1 means I'll get same value 1 1 1 0. So I'll get the same value A. We're not changing anything. But when come to here, 1 XOR with 1 0 0 1 1. What is double 1 double 0? C. So remaining thing I'll get the 0 zeros only. If you want you can find out. I'll get 0 0 0 0. Okay, so this is also 0, this is also 0, this is also 0, this is also 0. In my result, it is 0. And what is the R3 value? CA 110, sorry, 6E 6E 1011 means it's P only, right? Okay, CE 6P, right? CE 6P. Okay, so in this way we can find out the bits.